Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive Infiniti Q50 full guide. Begin by setting the seat, steering column, and mirrors for comfort and visibility, then fasten your seatbelt and confirm all lights are normal. Start the engine with brake applied, select the desired drive mode, and release the parking brake gently. Practice smooth throttle and brake inputs on quiet roads, and learn the feel of adaptive systems before highway driving. Begin by learning the main controls and cluster indicators to avoid distraction while driving. Locate the gear selector, drive mode dial, and central display, and practice toggling menus before moving. Check how adaptive cruise and lane assist engage, and confirm audio controls respond on the wheel. Keep commonly used functions mapped to buttons to minimize touchscreen use, and take a few slow practice trips to build confidence with all systems. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. It really helps. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a fun companion for playlists and hands-free control in the garage. I placed one by my charging station, and it makes car prep more enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on smooth inputs and defensive positioning to make the most of the Q50's dynamics. Approach turns with modest entry speed, trail brakes slightly if needed, and exit with steady throttle to maintain balance. On open roads, use adaptive cruise for consistent spacing, and in heavy traffic, switch to comfortable modes for gentler throttle mapping. Practice emergency stops in a safe area to learn ABS behavior and pedal feedback for confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.